Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with euro-dollar pair with Din Lao. The EURUSD pair continued its gradual decline on Wednesday, and as of Wednesday morning tested the 38% Fibonacci retracement level at 1.1666. A consolidation below this level would increase the likelihood of further decline toward the next Fibonacci level 23%, 1.1568. A rebound from 1666 would allow traders to expect a reversal in favor of the euro and some growth toward the 50% retracement at 1.1745. The wave situation on the hourly chart currently raises no concerns. The last completed upper wave failed to break the previous peak, while the new downward wave has broken the last low. A temporary truce between Iran and the United States supported the bulls, allowing them to form a strong upper wave. However, 3 weeks later, it can be said that geopolitics is once again moved in an unfavorable direction. According to some reports, Donald Trump is prepared for a prolonged blockade of the Strait of Hormuz, effectively ending hopes for negotiations and peace between Iran and the United States. Bears are regaining confidence. On the 4-hour chart, the pair reversed in favor of the US dollar and consolidated below 61% Fibonacci level at 1.1706. Thus, the downward movement may continue toward the next retracement level at 76%, 1.1617. Bears have regained their initiative, which is clearly visible on the hourly chart. No emergent divergences are currently observed in any indicators. Let's trade with the MACD indicator. It's time for GBPUSD. Jakub Novak presents. You could plan to buy the pound today at around 1.3504. Green line on the chart, targeting a rise toward 1.3550. At 3550, you could exit buy position and open sell positions in the opposite direction, expecting a 30-35 point pullback. Further pound growth today is only possible after weak US data. Before buying, make sure that the MACD indicator is above the zero mark and has just started rising from it. You could also plan to buy the pound today if there are 2 consecutive price tests of 1.3482, while the MACD is in oversold territory. This will limit downward potential and trigger a reversal upward. Growth toward 1.3504 and 3550 can be expected. You could plan to sell the pound today after a break below 34.82, which would lead to a quick dark line in the pair. The key target will be 1.3419, where you could exit short positions and open buys in opposite direction, expecting a 20-25 point rebound. Selling pressure will return today if strong US data is released. Before selling, make sure that the MACD is below the zero line and has just started to decline from it. You could also plan to sell the pound today if there are 2 consecutive price tests of 1.34-3504, while the MACD is in overbought territory. This will limit upward potential and trigger a downward reversal. A decline toward 1.3482 and 34.19 can be expected. That's all for today. See you online soon.